Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create light rays from a simple photo in some few steps. So let's get started. First open your Adobe Photoshop. So we are going to create light rays in this photo. So first you need to select color range. Then from select here highlight, so you can see the light you want to pass through this section. First get the fuzziness to 0, then change the range according to your requirement. This looks okay for me. Okay, then click OK. Now click Ctrl plus J to create the layer. Rename the layer with highlight or anything else you want. Now make the highlight convert for smart filter. It will create another filter, then click on blur, radial blur. So from here select zoom and amount all the way to 100. So from here you can select the quality, good, best. For testing you have to select draft. You see the light rays coming look natural or not. Then you can change the setting. Select the light ray point. Now you can see it looks more natural than before. Then you can select the quality best for better result. It will take few seconds for increasing the quality. Now you can see the light is coming through the image and it looks little bit natural. So we can make this more natural by adding some effect. So if you want to increase the intensity of the light rays, just you have to press Ctrl plus J to copy the layer, and then you can see the light rays is increasing the intensity. If you copy more, you can have more intense. Just I needed 2, so I will delete one layer. So this looks perfect for me. Now you can modify this image to look more natural. First you need to convert this to layer on a smart object. Okay, now you can select brush tool. You have to change the color black and white. To make it more natural, you can filter blur gallery, then fill blur, just select the point. It's look okay for me. Then you can click OK. If you want more realistic, then you can change. So that's it. This look more natural light rays for me. Hope you like this video, and you can make your own light rays in any simple manner with this simple step. So that's it for today. I will make more tutorial like this in near future. So keep supporting me by subscribing and liking this video. So peace out.